which is very important in daily document creation, that is columns. I can also turn this document of ours on page 2 into two equally spaced columns with a line between. So I'm going to select the entire document like this. And after selecting the document like that, where do I find the columns feature? It is found on the layouts tab. So I tap on the layouts tab under page setup group. So when I go to page setup group, you'll see columns. I tap on the drop down arrow. I'm not going to tap on 2 even when it works, but when you want more features of the columns that you want to create, for example, you want to specify the size of the columns that you create, you want to put a line between, just tap on more columns. When you tap on more columns, a dialog box for formatting all your columns the way you want them to appear, it will appear like this. So choose 2 columns, you can choose 3 and more if you want. Then I actually want a line in between, so I check this checkbox, and after I click on OK. When I click on OK, my document is formatted in 2 equally spaced columns with a line between.